All right, everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to make a very quick video. I do think it deserves a couple minutes. When I see, other contractors consistently making this same mistake, and I've made a video in the past, but I think it's worth refreshing everyone's mind on it. So, what I'm talking about is when installers or anyone puts this breather pipe on the T on a package unit, okay? On a package unit only. This is not in regards to an air handler, okay? Air handler or a coil is different. We're going to talk only about package units. So, what I've seen in the past with these is that people will put these on, the plumbing will back up, right? Say it backs up at that 90, and the water's got nowhere to go, right? Say it backs up at this 90, and I do see it happen, okay? So it backs up right here. Well, the water's gonna start to back up, and then because it's got this breather tube right there, it cannot defy, laws of gravity and go up this way and fall off onto the roof, right? It just doesn't do that. So it's going to continue to back up inside of the coil, and there's a pan in there. The water level is going to rise and then fall into the cabinet and rust out the cabinet, or it'll soak into the insulation. And if it's wet enough, if there's enough humidity, the water's going to continue to back up, and even go into the insulation of the elbow, and then go all the way down and leak into the house. Okay, and then next thing you know, you got water leaking into the house. You have a rusted indoor, cabinet, and you may even have mold down the road. Okay, all because you put this thing on. You didn't understand what this thing is for. Okay, now if you remove this thing, well, then the worst that can happen is if it backs up, well, all it's going to do is start to overflow right here onto the roof. That's not that big of a deal. You'll see it maybe fall off the roof, and you'll call somebody, and then problem solved. We'll redo the drain line, or just clean it off, whatever, which is a lot less work than if you put that darn thing on. So I'm gonna cut that thing off and get rid of it. Well, anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.